everyone, today we are doing some alternative to cats. If you cannot have a cat because you might be allergic, or in this case she's a little bitch, I'll show you some alternatives. Alternative number 1. Cherry Cola. Alternative number 2. Vacuum cleaners. Shoo, shoo, I'm filming. Shoo, I'm filming. Shoo. Shoo, I'm filming. Shoo. Ah! Shoo, I'm filming. Shoo. 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 Shoo, I'm filming. Shoo. Anyways, alternative number 3. Plates. Specifically these ones. Alternative number 3. Pen. Specifically a blue one. Alternative number, I have no clue. Just keep your cat, because she might be a bitch. Ah! But they're nice. Sometimes.